everyone, it's Rachel and today I'm going to do a challenge video and this is called the Blindfolded Clay Challenge. So I'm going to be trying to make one of these chubby dino charms without sight pretty much. So I'm going to be wearing a blindfold while I try to make one of these. I think this should be pretty interesting, so we'll see how we go. Hopefully I've made enough chubby dinos in my time that I kind of have a feel of how to make them without my eyes. So I have two camera angles set up. I have this one here which has all my materials in it and I have some tape around the outside too so that I know I'm in frame or not. And then I've also got this camera over here which will be showing you my face to make sure that I'm not cheating. So even though this challenge is blindfolded, I did decide to pre-set up my materials and everything. So I've already got all the colors I need in the order that I think I'm going to use them, and I've got some tools as well. So obviously I won't be able to see them, but hopefully I'll be able to feel the tools and not cut myself with the blade. And yeah, my colors, my eye pin, and then this is the space I'll be working in. This is a chubby dino I've made in the past. I do have an actual tutorial on this one. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it linked down below in the description. So now I'll just go ahead and pop on my blindfold, which is a scarf. I think this is going to be a lot harder than I thought it would be. Okay, I can't see a thing, but I've got my eyes closed anyway, just in case, because I don't want to cheat. Right, now. Rightio, the first thing I'll be needing, is the green clay, which should be up in the top corner. Yep, this one here. Right, so I'm going to take this. It's already rolled into a ball, so I'm just going to try and pinch one end to make the little tail. I don't think when we realize when we craft how much we actually use our sight, you think that we would feel a lot of things, but I don't think that's the case. And I've already lost where it is. Right, I need to flatten down a spot for the bottom, so at least then I've got something to work with. Right, so that's the bottom, this is the front, this is the tail. Okay. Good. I'm glad we got somewhere. Right, so I'm just going to put this up here for now. Next, I'm going to do the scales on its back. So this should be the darker green clay. And I'm just going to roll it. So I need 5 different sections and they're kind of all different sizes. And then I'm going to make them into like a little diamond kind of shape. So if I take my blade, right, this is going to be the tricky part. How big? Right, so that's going to be the first one. So that's kind of slightly smaller. Then, I don't remember if the second or the third one's the biggest. No, it must be the third. And then another one kind of the same size. Oh, I've already lost sight. Where is the other one? Oh, is that it? Or is that my other clay that I've knocked out? Well, we'll see. I then need the bigger one, so I'm going to chop off a bigger section. Whoa, that is huge. Okay, I don't need that much clay. Now I've got my 5 circles. Hopefully they're in order. Yep. So I'll just get rid of that for now. Now I need to try and shape it into like a square and then cut off one part and then stick it on my dino. So I'm going to flatten it down first. That should be okay. Now my blade, and then I'm going to cut off one of the corners. Oh, I don't know how much I'm cutting off. All right. Yep, that might be fun. Okay. We'll stick it on the dino now, wherever the dinosaur is. Oh, here he is. Right. So this is the tricky part, the positioning. So that's the tail, the base. Right, I'm going to go about... Right, that's the face. Where'd it go? Need to center it. Now, usually I'd use some Bacon Bond to try and help me hold it on, but I'm not going to do that because I'm blindfolded. And that would be a mess if I got the Bacon Bond out. Okay, I think that's good. And then I just need the one other one down near the tail. I think this is actually the easy part of the dino. What I'm scared about is the face, especially, or in particular, the mouth. Because I don't know how I'm gonna, I'll be able to roll it small, but I won't even know if it's on the needle tool or not, and I won't know if it's on the face. Because pretty much you can't feel it. Time to move on to the face. Let me get rid of all these little scrap bits of green first. Where are they? We'll just push them out of the frame. Okay. Nope, there's still more. Alright, we've got our dino, so I'll put him up there. So the next clay I had was some more of the body colour, and this is going to act as the feet. So, that's too much. Right, put that over there. Right, I'm going to roll some out into a coil, and then we're going to cut off some little sections for the feet and attach those on. So I need 4 little feet. So get rid of the edge piece because that's always dodgy. Okay, they should all be on my blade. Right, get rid of that. Dino, where are you? Okay, we got our dino, we got our feet. Hopefully on the blade. I haven't felt yet. Yes, they are. Where's the face? Okay, there. And then just kind of press it down. Right, so there's the first foot on the left side. And then the rest should be okay because if I've got the first foot, I should be able to line it up, hopefully. There we go, we got the feet on. Pop the dino back there. Now, the part I was fearing is the face. So, I should have, oh, is that the black? Yes. So, here, this is the black clay. So, for the face, I'm going to roll some of the black clay out. I'm going to make 2 balls for the eyes. Again, getting rid of that little scrappy edge piece. Right, 2 eyes. Here and here. So roll them into balls. Let me get rid of that coil so I don't mix it up with something else. So there's one eye. And here's the other one. Now I need my dino. And I've got to make some indents. Which if I mess this up, it's not going to end well because I can't fix it right. So this is my dotting tool or my ball tool. So I need the smaller end, which is this one. If I go down, the mouth will be in the center, so I'll go out a little bit. Right, I'm going to press it in there. Okay, now I think I'm going to move back over, so the mouth will go there, and then I'm going to go over another little bit, and then put the indent in there. Cool. Now what we do is we put our little, I think that's in the indent, we put our black eyes into the indents when we find them. That feels like it's poking out a lot. I think I might need to make a bigger indent. Next I need to make the mouth. And the mouth of my dinos is kind of like a cat mouth, I guess you would call it. So kind of like 2 U shapes together. So I'm not making just 1 U shape, I'm making 2. And trying to attach them on together. This feels like the little stringy bit. But the hard part is I'm not going to know if there's any clay on it. Now I need another section. I think I got a section. Right, next what we're going to do, oh no, is find those sections. Oh, there's one, okay. Is it on my finger? I've lost it. I can't, they're so tiny I can't even feel if it's on my finger or not. Oh, okay, it was on my finger and I've squished it. Right, I'm going to now have to make another bit. Oh, I don't know, this is hard. Alright. I'm going to have to stop being a perfectionist and just go for it. So there should be 2 pieces hanging off my blade. So we're going to curl them. And I've lost it again. No, I think it's on my finger. Okay. So I'm going to take my needle tool. And hopefully it's on there. We're going to take our dino. Find the eyes, which are here. And then we're going to try and place that down there. And hopefully that went on. Find the eyes again and just try and like place it on there. I don't know how that went. I think that's awful. Next, we are making the little light reflection white parts for the eyes. So there should be some white, which I'm going to say is this one, and then hopefully the last color up there is the pink. Okay, I just finished the eyes and the mouth. Now, if we get this out of the way, the final thing we have to do, obviously before actually putting in an eye pin, is take this pink clay, roll it into a coil, which we've now had lots of practice with, taking 2 tiny dots and then just placing it beside the eyes. Oh, I think I just dug my fingernail into the clay. There's one cheek on. No, not that. Oh. Where'd that other cheek go? No, I might have to make a new one. Okay. Oh, no, is this it? That doesn't feel right. Okay. Hopefully this is the pink clay. We're going to try and make another one. Because I lost the other one. Or is that it on my... No. Something's on my finger and I don't know what colour. I've lost my colours. Right. Get rid of the scrappy end piece. Try and make another little circle. Perfect. Dino here. Now put the last cheek on the left side over here. So I'm going to put it over here on the right side. Right next to the eye. Lovely. I mean, I'm sure it's not actually lovely, but that's fine. Okay, last thing is the eye pin. Now I'm just going to pop it in with my fingers because I think using a pair of pliers would be even worse. Push that in there. That feels in. So I think we're all done with my little dino. I'm going to take off the blindfold and see what it looks like. Oh, it's so bright. Oh my gosh. What is that? You know what though? To be fair, the spikes are actually... You know what? I'm happy with the spikes. The feet are a little bit funny. And I'm not too sure what happened with the cheeks. Where'd that other cheek go? Is that it there? Why is it down there? And why is there a coil of pink on there? I love the mouth though. Just, it's a very derpy dinosaur. That's what this is. But, you know what? I actually... Oh, okay, so I see what I've done. I've placed the cheek here maybe. I don't know, I'll have to see when I watch the footage back. Okay, so what I think the shape of the dinosaur is okay with the tail and everything. I really like how the spikes turned out. They're not too bad. I think it's really just, you know, the legs are okay. You can tell that they're meant to be sort of in that position. And I think it's the face. But blindfolded, you know what? I still got, even though it's not quite positioned in the center, the face is there. So there's the eyes. I actually got the two white dots on this eye. There's one on this eye. Not quite sure what happened to the other white dot. That might be it there. And then, of course, the cheeks. One's around next to the foot. And then one is near the eye, but it's also got a nice little string coming off it. So there we go. That is my little dinosaur charm that I made blindfolded. Here it is compared to one of my actual ones. I think from this side it actually looks okay apart from that little pink cheek down there. I think it really is more just the front that didn't work out too well. But you know what? I'm still happy with it. So if you enjoyed seeing me do this little clay challenge, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for lots more videos and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.